Hi friends. So this a small clipping is dedicated to all super specialty second year and final year resident, especially for oncosurgery final years. So there are a few questions from the final year residents, sir, what to plan for the future. So kindly understand one thing: the government is increasing the medicine, PG, and super specialty seats in huge number, so that the needy patients can be saved or treated in a proper way. But the government intention is good, but outcome is like the number of doctors and super specialists are increasing tremendously, and the increase number outweighs the demand. So the demand and supply is not appropriate. This year almost 300 super specialty seats are not filled, first time I can say the history. And oncos and like PG, not PG, the MBBS seats are majority are unfilled. So this all is not a good trend, my dear friends. So how to overcome all these things? Almost we will be crossing 30 or 32 or 35. Somebody will be in 40. Of course, 40 they might have settled some part in their life, but the 30 and 32, sir, my almost 10 to 12 years are there or spent in reading. Sir, what to do, sir? This is $1 million questions. So please understand, my dear friend, whether the government or bureaucrats is knowingly or unknowingly doing to diffuse the profession, I don't know. But we all are intellectuals. We should not run behind money. So money is always the byproduct. So everybody is working or excelling themselves for comfort of living. So how to make ourselves comfortable? Please understand one thing which we can do during our residency is find your team. It may be a group of urologists, group of oncosurgeons, group of gastroenterologists, etc., etc. Don't spend all your hard-earned money in buying your instruments. For example, GA surgeons or urologists, almost the instrument cost itself 20 to 25 lakhs investment. Rather, five members can join together and we can pool up our money and invest. For example, in a city, you people are coming up and you are planning to settle down in a particular city. So city can handle many surgeons. So you can have a common instrument and you can put one person to handle the instrument and you can share the instrument. But see, my dear friend, nothing is gentleman agreement. This is the what I want to share. So everything should be a memorandum of understanding. Everything should be black and white. Don't believe even yourself, I can say. So if even you can't believe yourself, you can't believe your team. So make everything as a memorandum. Have a legal team. Always support. Many partnership breaks because we trust our friend. One or other will be having a projecting themselves nicely, and they will be telling that person is supporting other four. So those things can happen, my dear friends. But the hardworking person will not be revealed to the society many times. Many times the society is what seeing the face of that team is somebody is really projecting themselves nicely. They know to talk nicely, but their heart is not good. So make it everything as a memorandum of understanding. Never ever believe anybody. So keep everybody as accountable. Okay, that's way this will work. And you can have a group of if you are an oncosurgeon, find a good medical oncologist and radiation oncologist in your team, and find a district where there is no oncosurgeons or oncosurgery, medical oncology and radiation oncology team. Go there and settle down and start your life, my dear friend. And more than anything I can say, don't put all your energy in this profession alone. Split your energy, like for all of us invested on our brain. So our time should be spent on profession for 6 to 8 hours, or I can say not more than 6 hours. 2 hours for the one which you like. You may be you want to live your life, live that, or you want to put your energy in business, do that. Your in-laws or your parents may be good in business. Learn that from them. See, there we can do wonders. There can be chain of restaurants. We can do chain of supermarkets. We can do. Learn business, my dear friends. Spend your time in learning business. Okay, If an intellectual is a businessman, also we can rock this in this society. Okay, no one can diffuse our profession. Never ever beg anybody for the patient. Never ever do unethical practice. Never ever request or beg the GPs for a referral fees or anything to send patients. That's the toughest thing anybody can do, my dear friends. Find an alternate source of income. Find a comfort of our own living. This profession, do it for happiness. I do not know how after 10 years this profession will be, but as a person who can have a forethinking in our profession, this profession is going in a diffusion. So this diffusion is not good for the society. One day the government and bureaucrat will understand, oh, what we are doing is not right. The pyramidal system has to be maintained. The MBBS should be a bottom of the pyramid, and then specialty, then super specialty. The pyramidal system should be maintained. And if there is no taker for a medicine or a super specialty, that means it is not, the profession is not going in a right direction. Okay, so we have learned so much thing from this profession, for serving our patients. Please spend quality time for them, and please, more than that, take care of our everyone's health, and spend at least 20 to 30% of daily time for learning something. Lot of things are there to learn business. Find it out. Spend good time with accounts, that is, I can say, auditors. They will teach you business. Spend good time with entrepreneurs. They can share a valuable time. We can start schools. We can start colleges. We can start a chain of restaurants. We can start chain of supermarket. A lot of things are there, my dear friends. Explore. We will learn. We will rock. We will have a comfort of living. Do this profession, medical profession, for happiness, for serving the needy patient. The needy patient can be a person without anything. The needy patient can be even the first citizen of India. Okay. All the best, my dear friend. This is Dr. Anthony Reshkumar, urologist, founder Concept. Jai Hind. Bye.